This is a demo video on my Arduino project, which is a simulation module of a fire alarm. First, let's take a look at the breadboard. I've used 3 resistors, some wires, a thermistor as a fire detector, an LED as a warning light, a buzzer as the fire alarm, and a button as the manual emergency push button. Let's now take a look at the Arduino program. First, the setups, and then I've used the get temperature function to obtain the temperature and convert it into degrees. And then I've used Boolean function and the bounce function to achieve the goal that you don't have to keep pressing the button in order to maintain the fire alarm, which is normally used in real emergency push button. And next, I've used serial write to send out output for further display. And finally, I set the temperature limit at 25 degrees, and I simulate the effect of a breathing light, which is also normally seen for real warning light, like that. Now let's move on to data display part. I've used the green line as a simulation module of a thermometer, which will change related to the current temperature. As you can see, if I put my finger on the thermistor to raise the temperature, it will give out warning and the buzzer will start to working. This is the display part of my project. These are the code which I write in processing.